This is the unboxing of the Myphone UNO Android One device. So, got this. It's bought from Lazada. So we'll take this bubble wrap away, cut this out. This is it. It's got a free 8GB micro SD card. Also 1 year internet free. It's got instructions on how to do that. Yep, here it is. Also, it's Android L. Android L quad-core, 4GB ROM, 1GB RAM, 1.3 GHz. So let's start. I would have bought Share Mobile One, but it's unavailable in Lazada, and this is the only one available. So let's check what's inside. Inside is the phone. Then what's this? Oh, it's got a free SIM card from Globe with free internet for a year. Okay, this is nice. Then the removable battery. So that's what I was thinking about. Does it have a removable battery? Removable battery, 1700 milliamps. It's got a free headphone. It's a charger and a micro USB. Quick start guide and a warranty certificate. So let's put this away. Let's see the phone. This is nice. It's got a solid build, really good. So I'll remove this first. It's got a good feel in the hand. Ganda siya. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the Myphone UNO Android One.